Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today I'd like to share with you a DIY solution that you can use as a kitchen and bath cleaner. It's made with all these products that you already have in your house. It's cost effective and it's great for the environment. Start with 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of liquid dish soap, and then put 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oils into the solution. We love using lavender. It's a great scent for this type of cleaner. This cleaner is strong, it leaves glass streak free, and the vinegar in it kills odors, so that's great. And then once again, the lavender smells awesome. It's a great cleaner, cost effective, great for the environment, and it works awesome for us. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching Everyday Workbench.